Hey all you campers out there, my name is Brett Yoder with Total Value RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today I'll be showcasing the 2019 Freelander 32DS, okay? And the nice thing is it's a price point coach, easily affordable, but this packs a lot of standards and options that you wouldn't necessarily get with other brands. Like this is a true one-piece fiberglass cap, okay? It's not laminate, so it's more durable than others. This is going to be on a Ford E450 chassis. You're going to have 305 horsepower, 55-gallon gasoline tank. Nice thing is, if you look, you have a handle right here getting into the cab, but look how large the step is, okay? And I'm about 190 pounds, and I can jump on this, and it holds me. So it's very, very sturdy. You will have a TPO roof, okay? The nice thing is you have a 21-foot awning. Yes, I did say 21 foot. And look, your bedroom window right here is also underneath the awning, okay? So when you're outside shopping, when you're out there shopping, take a look. See how many brands have the awning over the bedroom. Not a lot, okay? Here is just going to be your propane tank. This will have a compartment here. It is steel, okay, so it's a lot more durable. There's sidewalls, a 2-inch vacuum bonded sidewall. But if you zoom in on that, that's Azdel, okay? So Azdel is a composite material. If you do have rain damage, it won't delam like your Luan glue. In the summer when it's hot, when you go into your cab or your body of the unit, you're not going to smell that glue like you would on Luan. This particular coach will have the option Bluetooth speaker and the outdoor entertainment, and then it will have the 6-gallon hot water tank, and it is prepped for solar as well. Going down to the coach, you'll have a nice large outside kitchen. You'll have your fridge there for cold beverages, a microwave, a kitchen sink, and then you'll have more storage here. And then right beside here is your LP quick disconnect. So if you want to bring your grill with you, you're more than welcome to. You got also outlets here. Moving around the coach, you do have a steel bumper here. You can put your sewer hose in there. The furnace vent is on the rear of the coach, which is nice because when you're sitting underneath the awning, you're not going to smell the fumes. This does have a backup camera as well, and then it does have the ladder to easy access for your roof. LED tail lights as well. Now this is your bedroom slide out. Okay, go around when you're outside shopping, when you're out at a dealership, pound on the slide outs. You know, if they're squishy, that means the quality of the coach isn't as near as durable. You also have more storage underneath your slide out. And take a look at the bottom of the slide, okay? This is very important. This is true fiberglass underneath your bed slide. So you're going to get the same insulation as you would on your side out. Or you're going to get the same insulation as your sidewall, okay? It's more durable. This is all your hookups here. You have city water connection, cable connection, of course your 30 amp connection here. This does have the Firestone airbag suspension as well. So you can 80 psi, it'll make a ride a real smoother. More storage here. And then this is going to be your your Onan 4000 generator, which will run off your 55-gallon fuel tank. More storage here. Let's go inside the coach here. Ready? We're standing in the Freelander 32DS, and the slide outs are in. So this will illustrate how much room you have when you're going down the road. Plenty of room. You have about probably 1.5 feet, 2 feet across from each other. You can still comfortably get to the sink, comfortably get to your stovetop, your microwave, your fridge goes all the way open. You can get to the bedroom here, okay? So if someone wants to sleep, they can sleep on top of here, and then you have access to your shower and your bathroom. Okay, we're inside the 32DS now, and as you can see, there's a lot of room. Right now the slide outs are open, but as you can tell, You know, we have a nice jackknife couch here. Underneath the jackknife, there's plenty of storage here. Now, whoever's sitting in this jackknife couch, look straight ahead. You have a nice, huge TV here, so no more neck breaking. Right underneath the TV is a nice J lounge here. And what's nice is if it's just you two, or if the family or friends come with you, you can actually convert this into a bed. Like that, and then the table comes down, you put a cushion over that. So it makes it real nice. Plus you have seating here, or sleeping here, which has a 350-pound weight capacity. Nice thing is it does have the option net here. So no kids or no storage will be able to move when you're going down the road. You do have a DVD player as well here, but you have this nice dark wood interior, so it'll keep the dirt away from it, but lots of storage here. So above the couch, which is right across from the TV area, you're going to have ample amount of storage space. As you can tell, there's a strut here, so no more holding onto a shelf trying to shove things in. You can keep them open like this. Now, right beside the couch is your nice kitchen here. You got the dual sink here, so you can actually wash dishes. You got nice storage underneath your sink. You got more storage here. To the left of that is going to be your nice microwave, and then underneath there is going to be your 3 burner stovetop, and then your auto spark oven, so no more getting on your knees. This coach is equipped with a Bigfoot leveling system, which makes it nice. It's one touch. So the 32DS, this particular coach will have the power stabilizer jacks, which is an option, and then the tank heaters, which is an option. So no matter what climate, you can camp in here. Now the nice thing about this 32DS is look at the huge residential fridge. Okay, so this does have an inverter on bed. This does have an inverter on board as well. This is a 30 amp power coach, so you'll get the upgraded option 15K BTU AC, and it is ducted, so no matter where you're at inside the coach, you're always going to be cool. Now when you do have friends and family here, you can actually close this door. It's a hardwood door, and have a bedroom to yourselves. Now this bedroom is loaded, I mean loaded with storage. As you can tell, you have a 60 by 80 bed, so if you're a passenger, you want to go back in and sleep, you're more than welcome to. You do have nightstands here, and then ample amount of storage space here. Nice storage compartment. You can put phones, cell phones, laptops here to charge them if you want. Here's your bedroom window, and remember what I said, the awning goes over your bedroom window, which a lot of manufacturer Class C brands don't do. But you got a nice closet drawer space here, and then similar to the front one here, you got an ample amount of clothes racks. Okay. Now, what's unique about this floor plan is you have 2 doors in your bedroom. Okay, so one door goes to your toilet, okay, your bathroom area. So if someone's in the shower, you're not going to interrupt them. There is a door that separates the 2. This door goes into your shower area, and this is where your sink is at. Now look how much ample space you have. You can put toothpaste, toothbrushes, cologne, perfume, whatever you like here. You got an ample amount of space, and then you got a nice vanity here. Now here's the toilet that you have access to your bedroom, and then you have a sliding door right here to close that off. I'm standing next to the shower. As you can tell, you have plenty of space for your washcloths, your towels, whatever you like to store in there. Again, I'm 6 foot. I can do a 360. It's very convenient to me. I can wash, and I probably have a good 8 inches overhead. And look at this. It's actually glass doors, which makes it nice, easier to clean as well. So I'm sitting in the cockpit of the Ford E450 Freelander 32DS. As you can see, it looks just like a Ford dash here. Nice thing was Total Value RV. Coachmen's within 20 minutes of us, and it's exclusive. You can't get this anywhere else in the country. 45 miles. Okay, so that is exclusive. We do not have any hidden fees too. So no prep, no PDI fees as well. Your radio, you are going to have a Bluetooth radio. It is Cyrus ready, and it's nice there. And then these seats do swivel. Okay, easy to do. All you do is you pull this yellow button here, pull it towards you, release, and that's that. Now that goes same with the driver's seat too. So you have a variety of living space here if you have friends and family. Again, thank you so much. If you want more information or a price on this, you can get on TotalValueRV.com, or you can contact me at Brett@TotalValueRV.com, or my cell phone 574-849-4276. Thanks and happy camping.